Ladies and gentlemen, we have Figaro the cat. Figaro. Hello. You're just talking up a storm right now. Are you camera shy? Hello. What's wrong? What's wrong? Who's hitting you? Okay, it seems like you're tired. In case you're laying down. Are you gonna fall asleep there? You gonna sleep right there? You're not talking no more? You were talking to a storm just now. Now you're just gonna lay there. You're not saying nothing. You ain't gonna say nothing to me? You ain't gonna say nothing to me? Not even a meow? Not even a meow. Wow. Unreal. I thought we were cool like that. Now it's a silent treatment. Now you're gonna look away. Wow, Figaro. Oh, now you wanna look at me. Are you looking at me or are you saying something? Are you going to see what are you doing? Where you going? Man.